This is attorney Zoe checking in today with another session. Today I want to go through the communist inadmissibility issue for a lot of our Chinese clients, and this is also applicable for those from North Korea, Laos, Vietnam, and Cuba, countries that are primarily run by a communist party. So let's get to it. When does this happen? So if we look at it starts with the I-485 adjustment of status, and starting in page 10, there's a lot of inadmissibility questions. And one of the questions ask about the Communist Party. The exact words were, have you ever been a member of or in any way affiliated with the Communist Party or any other totalitarian party in the US or abroad? Number 56. And if you've ever been, so now we refer to this INA Chapter 12, Section INA 212A3D. If you've ever been affiliated with a totalitarian party, you would have to put yes. And a lot of our Chinese clients who have, unknowingly, back then, a lot of universities require you to be a part of the Communist Party in order to be a part of the university. So when you check yes, though, there's always exceptions that allow you to enter. So exception number 1 is involuntary membership, and we're going to go into that as far as what's considered involuntary membership. The second exception would be if you had terminated your membership 2 years before the date of filing the I-485, or 5 years before filing. And in the case that an alien whose membership or affiliation was with the party controlling the government. So this is our Chinese clients that would you'd have to have ended your Communist Party membership 5 years before. And in the case of a lot of our highly accomplished individuals, in order to move forward in their careers, they have to stay in the membership. And here's why. Here's how we would, propose to attack that in the past. So before I go into that involuntary membership issue, if you're still paying your membership dues, right? There's the involuntary membership, but even before we go into that, let's assume that you've terminated your membership. What documents do they even look for in the case of a Chinese membership in the Chinese Communist Party? Well, in a lot of scenarios, this is guidance that we have. The visa bulletin's personal statement is really the only proof of membership termination. If the consular officer determines that, hey, this is not enough, it's not reliable enough, then you would look for an alternate, former company or a colleague to provide a statement. So our first level of representation would be to help you draft a sufficient proof of membership termination, or if there's any other, document. We've had one instance where the client renounced her membership on a website, but that's got nothing to do with the actual, as far as the Chinese Communist Party is concerned, that's not really a termination on their terms. You also show documentation that you've stopped paying your fees to the membership. In any event, these would be the things that we would help you address. And then, so what happens if you did not terminate your membership 5 years before? Well, so what's considered involuntary, right? So here we go. This is the INA session. So we're looking at membership for obtaining employment, education, food rations, or other essentials of living. We're looking at if they've continued after reaching 16, then they'll look at your actions after you've reached 16 years of age. So this is important, right? This is what we would help you address in the personal statement, show an absence of an ideological commitment to communism. That's how we showed that it was involuntary. So they know this. In China, a good number of individuals are encouraged to join while in college so that they can obtain better employment opportunities. In this case, the involuntary membership may apply. And so we would just go into the statement to talk about why it's involuntary, if you're still paying the membership, why that is. And it always works to our benefit if we could provide, how this could translate to US interests, like from here on out. So that's that. If you enjoyed that, please, subscribe to our channel. We come up with a video every week, or schedule a consultation with us if you have specific issues. Phone number will follow right after this. Okay.